Hi, and welcome. My name is Vinay, and I will be your instructor for this course on supervised learning with Scikit-Learn. What is machine learning? Machine learning is the process whereby computers learn to make decisions from data without being explicitly programmed. Examples of machine learning. For example, learning to predict whether an email is spam or not. Spam, given its content and sender, or learn to predict cluster books into different categories based on the words they contain. Then assign any new book to one of the existing cluster. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is the process of uncovering hidden patterns and structures from unlabeled data. For example, a business may wish to group its customer into distinct categories based on their purchasing behavior, without knowing in advance what these categories are. This is known as clustering. One branch of unsupervised learning. And supervised learning. Supervised learning is the type of machine learning where the values to be predicted already known, and a model is built in with the aim of accurately predicting values of previously unseen data. Supervised learning uses features to predict the value of a target variable, such as predicting a basketball player's position based on their points per game. This course will explicitly this course exclusively focus on supervised learning. And also there is the types of supervised learning. There are two types of supervised learning. Classification is used to predict the label or category of observation. So in this example, we can predict whether a bank transaction is fraudulent or not, as there are two outcomes here: a fraudulent transaction or non-fraudulent transaction. This is known as binary classification. Regression is used to predict continuous values. For example, a model can use a feature such as number of bedrooms and size of property to predict the target variable. Price of what is the target variable? Price of a property. And naming conventions. Here, note that what we call in a feature, what we call a feature throughout the course. We will call the feature throughout the course. Otherwise, we may call a predict variable or independent variable. Also, what we call a target variable, other way call dependent variable or response variable. And yeah, before you use the supervised learning, there are some requirements to satisfy before performing supervised learning. Our data must must not have missing values, must be in numeric format, and stored as pandas data frames or series or numpy arrays. This requires some exploratory data analysis first to ensure data is the correct format. Whereas pandas methods for descriptive statistics, along with appropriate data visualizations, are useful in this step. And that is exploratory data analysis. Next is this is where syntax, Scikit-Learn syntax. Scikit-Learn follows the same syntax for all supervised learning models, which makes the workflow repeatable. This is repeatable, what we seen in the screen. Let's familiarize the other ourselves with general scikit-learn workflow syntax. Before we explore using real data later in this chapter, we import a model. This is the type of algorithm for our supervised learning problem for an scikit-learn module. For example, the k nearest neighbors model uses the distance between observations to predict labels or values. We create a variable named model and instance the model for and a model is fit to the data where it learn the patterns about the features and the target variable. We fit the model to x, an array of our features, and y, an array of our target variable values. We then use the models dot predict and passing a 6 new observations. We are passing the 6 new observation, that is x new. For example, if you're feeding features from 6 emails to a spam classification model, an array of 6 values is returned. Uh, a one indicates the model predicts that mail is spam, and 0 represents a prediction of not spam. Yeah, and let's practice the one example so that you can understand. So now I'm opening my Jupyter notebook. In this Jupyter notebook, I have the already one data set is there. So first I'm importing the my pandas import import pandas pandas as pd. Then insert new column, insert new row. Then df is equal to pd dot read csv. I'm passing the my data frame name, sorry, CSV file, that is shurn chon data dot CSV. Already this data is there. Then what I will do, I mean, we need to print the print df dot head head. Here it will give the if you say the last one, this is where target variable, but it is a string. We will convert into the string to Boolean value. How to convert? Df of what is the mode? What is the CHRU and churn equal to df CHRN CHRU churn dot replace what I need to replace, where no is there, I'm asking to replace with the 0, and where yes is there, I'm asking to replace with the 1, and that is as a type type int. So where replace, I need to close this thing. df churn replace where no is a 0, yes is 1 as type. So just SHRN churn, CHRN churn, CHRN churn. If anything is missing, you can make it to like this. So now print df dot head. So here, so now the variable churn variable is yes or no. I think again I will run this. See now It's a yes or no. I'm not deleted this, but it's a new column. This yes or no. This is where we are. I mean classification where Boolean values are there. Target value is the Boolean value. Yeah, that's what I want to explain. And yeah, I'm stopping here. We will see the next examples. Yeah, I'm stopping here. Yeah, it's a binary classification. Correct. Target variable is here the binary classification. 0, 1 is the binary classification. Yeah, okay. I'm stopping here. We will connect some another